Look at those cookies, Robin. Are you hungry? Are you going to eat one? No, Robin. Don't eat all of them at once. Why did you do that? Now you'll get hiccups. Come on, Robin. Don't make a fuss out of it. See, Robin, it's only hiccups. Such a drama, Prince. Drinking some water will surely help you. Oops! Oh no! Now Snow White has hiccups too. Beast, you have to help Robin and Snow White. They have hiccups. What is Beast up to? A scare? Good idea. Aww, you look so cute, Beast. Oh no, another hiccup victim. Your friends are having a contagious hiccup, Alice. They need your help. A spider! Wait, that's not a real spider. That's a toy. It's real! It's real! You're so naughty, Alice. Hey, it worked. No more hiccups. Yay! The spider cured you. Not again. Movie night. It's going to be super fun, Rapunzel. Oh, you're watching a spooky movie. A spider! Rapunzel, you have to be brave. That's not what I had in mind, but... Let's go! Where is the spider? Uh-oh, I found it. That was close. There it is. Ha! Great idea. Let's catch that spider. Don't make any noise. Yes! Well done. Now let's watch the film. Run, Rapunzel, run! Careful, Beast. There's a spider out there. It's here again! No, Beast, don't release it. Aren't you scared of the spider? No, wait! Don't spray it on the poor spider. Aw, look how cute it is. It just wants to watch the movie with you. Hey, and what about the little spider? Yummy! Sleeping Beauty, you can barely keep your eyes open. Oh, I think it's time for bed, Aurora. Well thought, Aurora, in case you're thirsty at night. And beside your glary fairy, rest, Aurora. Having trouble sleeping, huh? A pea? You don't like to eat in bed either. Everything should be perfect by now. You have your glass of water, your pillow, your doll. Good night, Aurora. That sound? It's coming from the little mermaid's room. Wow, these are some moves you and Bloop Bloop have. Who could it be at this time, Coral? Come in. What's up, Aurora? Oops, it's a bit late to play music, sorry.
Oh.
Finally, silence. This little mermaid again. Counting Gloop Gloop's jump help falling asleep, right, Coral? No noise, no songs, no counting. Much better. Third time's the charm. What's that? Oh, well, in that case, great rhythm!
What a nice gesture, Beast. Look like Wolf also wants a picture with them. I guess Beast is getting all the love today. What are you thinking about, Wolf? Oh, you're trying a new look for selfies. Wow, you really went for it, Wolf. Look, Beast is painting. Oh, you're drawing something too, Wolf? I don't think the girls are very impressed. Wow! Beast is an artist! Thinking about your next move, Wolf? Wow! Amazing! You dance better than anyone! Are you sure a chicken will impress them? Oh no! The chicken is chasing them! Come on, Wolf. Show them what you got. Yay! Finally got to mesmerize them. Oh yeah, ice cream! Did you forget, Wolf? You have to go to the doctor first. Look, Snow White is ready to receive you. Come on. Don't be scared, Wolf. She just wants to check your lungs. Where are you going? The checkup isn't over yet. You thought he'd be able to escape so easily. Don't worry, Wolf. Everything is under control. Snow White is the best doctor ever. Don't worry. We're almost done, Wolf. Just one quick shot and you can have your desired ice cream. Finally! Ice cream! Oh no! It's too late. They've run out of it.
Looking for a snack, Alice? Oh, it's as empty as your tummy. What if you gave Snow White a hand with her pizza? You can prepare a delicious meal together. Girls, stop arguing. There's only one way to settle this. You'll each make a pizza. It will be a pizza competition. Ready, steady, go! Tomato, strawberry, it doesn't matter. What's important in a pizza? That the base is red. Cheese time. That slice of cheese is split. Wait, Snow White. Alice wants the broken pieces.
Meow.
What's the next step, Snow White? How delicious! Vegetables. Or whatever else you want. It looks perfect, Snow White. So creative, Alice. And now, girls, it's baking time. Both pizzas look yummy. They are saying, eat me. Alice, do you want to try Snow White's pizza? Delicious. Come on, Snow White. A little bite won't hurt. Do you like it? You see, Snow White? In the end, you loved Alice's creation.
Hey! Watch where you're going, Robin Hood. Pay attention to Snow Queen. You have to use the zebra crossing. That was close. You're lucky Snow Queen got your back, girls. Don't worry. It's just a parked car, Snow Queen.
Everything's ready for your smoothies, girls. Did you pick your ingredients yet, Rapunzel? Lemons! So that means your smoothie will be... yellow! Good job! Okay, it's Belle's turn now. smoothie will look like. Purple! And it looks so yummy! Delicious! Oh, hi, Beast. Are you making a smoothie too? I don't think that's a good idea, Beast. Wait, that's not fruit. Ew, stop it. No, that is so unhealthy. Wait, Beast! It's brown. That's not tasty at all. Uh-oh, I can't look. It's okay, Beast. It wasn't that bad. How about they help you out? Come on, let's make a healthy special smoothie together. Oranges, some purple grapes. Much better. This is going to be the most colourful smoothie ever. It's the moment of truth. A rainbow smoothie! That looks amazing! But we still need to try it, right? Let's see if it tastes as great as it looks. Cheers! That good, huh? Looks like the rainbow smoothies were a success.
What a hot summer day! But Snow Queen is not enjoying it very much. That tea looks hot. I think you need to cool down. Wow! What is that machine for? The machine changes the weather! Snowball fight! Are you joining, Little Mermaid? Oh no! Are you okay? Wow, it's sunny again. I guess not for long. That's not okay, Little Mermaid. Hey, girls! Stop fighting! Looks like it's going to be a rainy day after all. playing with magic, Rapunzel. You created another Alice. Oh no, she's evil. You have to stop her, girls. Stop! You're making a mess. Hey, give that back. Don't run away. You have to clean this chaos. No, Sleeping Beauty, it wasn't her. Oh no. This mayhem has to end. She's getting worse. What are you doing? No, Snow Queen. She didn't do it. There are two Alices. Evil Alice is gone. Much better.
Playing with magic, Little Mermaid? You created another beast. Oh no! He's evil. You have to stop him. Stop! You're making a mess. Hey! Give that back. Don't run away. You have to clean this chaos. No, Belle! It wasn't him! Oh no! This mayhem has to end! He's getting worse! What are you doing? No, Snow Queen. He didn't do it. There are two beasts. Evil beast is gone. Much better. Yay! Sleeping Beauty won the game. But I guess Alice didn't. Wow! Amazing! The remote changes emotions. Oh no! Looks like the girls are angry. Hey! The remote made them all giggly. I think Sleeping Beauty wants you to go faster, Ed. Wow! Now She's super determined. I think you're making too much noise, Beast. Well, that came in handy. Oh no! You made him sad, Sleeping Beauty. You have to fix it. Oh no! Red is furious. I think things got a bit out of hand. I guess now you won't have to worry about mood swings. Going for a stroll, Rapunzel? What was that noise? Wait! Rapunzel! Wolf only wanted to give your phone back. What are you doing up there, Rapunzel? An umbrella? Really? Oh, now I see. Look, Wolf! Something's moving. Rapunzel, wait! Hey! There's Wolf! Rapunzel's really willing to do anything to escape Wolf. Ready for the obstacle run, Rapunzel? You go, Rapunzel! Look, Rapunzel! It's your phone! Wolf just wanted to give it back to you.
They're here! Welcome to Little Mermaid's slumber party! What did you bring, girls? Little Red Riding Hood brought candy. Sleeping Beauty brought her makeup case. This is going to be the best sleepover ever! High five, Sleeping Beauty! Sleeping Beauty? The girls are getting their makeup done. Wow, you look great, Red Hood! Isn't she beautiful, Sleeping Beauty? Look like she's busy. It's time to dance! Yay! Great move! Woo! Go, Red Hood! Looks like Sleeping Beauty loves it. What? So rude! She won't let the phone go. It's war! Cushion fight! Drop the phone already! That's a funny picture. You're having so much fun. But they miss you. Oh, girls. Cushion fight! Best slumber party ever!
you, Little Mermaid. A bit of water will help with this heat. Oh no, it's empty. There has to be another way to fight this heat. Snow Queen says you've had enough ice creams for today. Be careful, Little Mermaid. The magic wand is not a toy. Oh no! Prince is trapped in a block of ice. Quick, Snow Queen, do something. You need to unfreeze Prince. The magic wand is totally broken. It doesn't work anymore. Wow, this hairdryer is super powerful. It will melt the ice in no time. Uh-oh. I think this didn't go as planned. Good idea. It's so hot today that the sun will melt the ice. Oh, wait. Girls, stop. I think Prince is feeling sick. Are you feeling cold, Prince? Wait. What are you planning to do with that, Snow Queen? This is what you plan to do with Prince? Finally! Someone with a bit of common sense. What? That is even more dangerous. Run, Prince, run! Watch your step, Prince. The magic wand is just there. Finally! Prince can move again. This is what happens when you play with magic wands. Next time, you'll learn to be more careful.